I'm probably going to do that start of every video now. Hi guys, AdamJ here, and this is my part 2 of my exploding Rubik's Cube. Here is the core of the Rubik's Cube. I took the screws off, all 6. These springs you have to keep on, otherwise the cube won't work. So after you've done that, with your centre caps, it doesn't matter which way you do it, you just put these centres, and you can see the screws fit in, just put it over, and you keep on doing it till you get all 6 of them covered with these centre caps. Done all 6. Next, you just start assembling the cube on the ground. Make sure you put the centre on first, the edges, then the corners. Put the centre, the edges. This is failed many times, so just excuse me. The edges. Then the corner. And you can see how it fits in. The core fits in there. Screws are right. So you carry on doing that until your cube is assembled. And it doesn't matter about the centres. Mummy, I'm doing a video! I'm doing a video!
And I'm doing Minecraft.
Sorry about that, it's just dinner. It's just dinner. Don't worry. Even though the world all knows it. So, I have done the first layer. You can see how the core fits in pretty neatly. You just have to do the next layers, but the next layers are different. You put the centres in, put the corners. You put one centre, then one edge, then one centre. Make sure you put the edges sideways. If you know the opposites, yellow is opposite white, orange is opposite red, blue is opposite green. You don't need to remember that, because if your friends are a cuber, you do have to matter about that. But if they're not a cuber, you do not have to. But make sure you put the edge piece last in, okay? Helps it a lot. And you really do see how the core fits in. You really do see it. So I'm going to carry on assembling it, eat my dinner. Oh yeah, and you just drop the last piece in, like put centre. No, you put the corners in first, then you put the edges, then you put the centre. But everything has to be straight when you do the centre. And the last one, your hands are shaking, just telling you. So that's what we're the end of this video. And see you on part 2. See you on part 3. So bye.